making easy pumpkin bars with just a spice cake mix and pumpkin. What I would say is if your recipes don't seem to turn out, because cake mixes used to be 18 ounces and all these recipes are with 18 ounces, I would go ahead and add an extra 1/4 to 1/3 cup of flour to your recipe. If the recipe doesn't turn out, it's probably not my recipe. It's probably the fact that the cake mixes are not as big as they used to be. Then my eggs, my oil, and my sugar, and my walnuts. Then I've got my jelly roll pan. Now you could cook this in a 9x13 pan if you want. I just thought this might be something different. If you need a pumpkin pie spice recipe, it's in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 or on our website at livingonadime.com. This recipe is also at our website, livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. We're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. Right, I have my cream cheese in here and a little bit of vanilla. Now, if you want my original cream cheese frosting recipe right here, Dining on a Dime Volume 1, also on my website, Living on a Dime. And I'm going to now put my powdered sugar in here. Now, you can use canned frosting if you want. I personally don't like canned frosting. I think it's gross, but I use it a lot because people say that it's easy. So, and it is easy. I don't like powdered sugar poofing all over, but here's a little tip. If you don't want powdered sugar to poof all over, take a towel, put your beaters, and go like this. And you can just kind of peek. My frosting on here. There we go, pumpkin bars. Oh, yum. Right, we are going to cut a piece. Oh, yum. There we go. My hubby isn't home, so I'm gonna give it a taste test and see. Oh, I love pumpkin. Oh my goodness, that is so darn tootin' good. It's not even funny. Pumpkin bars with cheesecake frosting, the absolute perfect fall dessert.